As Hurricane Erin churns along the East Coast and wildfires rage across the West, the U.S. needs better data than ever. But now, the Trump administration is taking a controversial step, stripping critical air and ocean pollution monitors from America's next generation of weather satellites. Scientists say this move could leave us with blind spots in forecasting at the very moment climate-driven disasters are escalating. Tonight, we break down exactly what's changing, why it matters, and how it could affect you. The satellites in question are part of a new NOAA program called GeoXO, short for Geostationary Extended Observations. Think of them as the successors to today's GOES weather satellites. They'll orbit 22,000 miles above Earth, providing non-stop data for weather forecasts, hurricane tracking, and climate research. Originally, these satellites were designed with 6 advanced instruments. 2 of them were groundbreaking. One to track air pollution, from wildfire smoke to smog to greenhouse gases. Another to monitor ocean health, measuring algae blooms, fisheries productivity, and even water quality. But now, under the Trump administration, both have been cut. Officials say this is about cost. Cutting the instruments lowers the program's projected price tag to $12 billion, or about $500 million per year. But there's also a political angle. Administration budget documents describe weather forecasting as the satellite's exclusive focus, not climate monitoring. In short, if a tool could help track climate change, it's out. Supporters call this fiscal discipline. Critics call it climate censorship. So, what do we lose? Without the air composition sensor, scientists can't track wildfire smoke plumes in real time with the same precision. That means weaker forecasts for asthma spikes, ER visits, and school air warnings. Without the ocean color instrument, we'll miss key insights on fisheries health, toxic algae, and ocean productivity. Information coastal communities and seafood industries rely on. Here's the kicker. These instruments were already contracted with defense giant BAE Systems. Canceling them now doesn't mean free savings. It could mean penalty fees. Taxpayers still pay for hardware that never flies. And it doesn't stop at instruments. The constellation itself is shrinking, from 6 satellites down to just 4. That reduces redundancy. If one fails, we risk data blackouts. No backup, no safety net. This move comes as climate disasters intensify. And while the US steps back, Europe and Asia are stepping up. The European Union's Copernicus satellites already provide detailed pollution maps. Japan and China are expanding ocean monitoring missions. Hurricane Erin's rapid growth is partly fueled by unusually warm waters, the kind of phenomenon the now-canceled Ocean Instrument was designed to study. So here's the bottom line. Cutting these sensors may save dollars today, but it could cost lives, livelihoods, and leadership tomorrow. Doctors will have less air quality data to protect vulnerable patients. Fishermen will have fewer tools to predict ocean health. America will still launch these satellites, but with built-in blind spots. And as climate disasters grow, the question becomes, what's the bigger risk? Spending more on satellites, or spending far more cleaning up the damage we didn't see coming?